Discover the power of the laser welding square tube machine made. We make different solutions according to customers' drawing, tolerance, and budget, offering professional one-to-one service adaptable for your all requirements. With automated controls and a max speed of 310 min, our laser welding square tube machine ensures consistent quality and boosts productivity. Using high-precision laser welding equipment from well-known brands. Its precision allows for minimal heat-affected zones, ensuring the weld is clean and less distortion-prone. The length and quantity of the product are displayed on the PLC touchscreen. Laser welding square pipe roll forming machine is to produce different sizes of square pipes or tubes which can be used as purlins on metal building system. Compared with high-frequency welding tube line, this machine is cheap, occupies smaller space, easier to operate. It is much suitable for the business starting. Such stunning finished laser welded square tubes. Steelma always give you proper solution.